Senator Tabitha Karanja.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for also giving me this opportunity. And I want to take this opportunity and convey my pole to the Deputy President, and we wish him a quick recovery. The impeachment process is always very tedious and very tiring. Going through what His Excellency, the Deputy President, has gone through is not anything that you'd wish your relative or yourself to go through. So we tell him pole, and we wish him a quick recovery. Would have wished if he was here, at least when the senators are talking, he can represent himself. But unfortunately, the procedure must go on because we are time-bound. In this leadership, we must make decisions for the people of Kenya. As myself, Tabitha Karanja, the Senator of Nakuru County, I pray to God to give me wisdom to make the right decision for my people. I represent a county that is a home for 42 tribes. Nakuru represents Kenya. Meaning, I must make the right decision to ensure that there is peace in our county. But I want my Nakuru people to trust me, Nakuru people, the people I represent, that I will make the right decision for them. When you look at the economic front, we all know the people who lead the economy of this country. Let's say the manufacturing, the hotels, insurances, the finance institutions. Unfortunately, I also come from that world. I came from the business world. The people driving this economy, all what they want is to ensure that there's stability in this country. So that there's stability that can guarantee conducive environment for them to do business. The deputy position, the deputy president's position, or even the deputy governor's position is a position that we need to think about. If you look, it has a history that every deputy president is unlikely that they survive. But we need to have the firing and hiring to be given to the same person that hires. Rather than having those people bringing, after firing, they want to fire, they bring them to the floor of the Senate. I wish we can go back to the Moi regime, where they used to be sacked and nothing changes. You hire as another one tomorrow, the following morning. Fortunately, the political formation in this country have representation from different communities. I know we are always asking where we are, but when the boss says he doesn't want the person that is hired, a manager, it is very, very hard to say that you can save that person, because even if you save him, where is he going to work? He may even find the offices are locked. So I think you make the right decision to ensure that this country moves, because all what we are looking for is stability of this country. And I know when I'm in this floor, if we're unlikely that we don't save the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya, the one we have, that deputy president came from one community. I just pray that that position will be returned to the same community. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Asante.
Senator